Hello and welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to be checking out another amazing German content, and this one is how Germans respond to ambulance siren. In case you are new on this channel, you're most welcome. Please do well to hit on the subscribe so you can be a part of this channel. And to my returning viewers, thank you guys a lot, and let's get right into this one. But the road is kind of free. Here's the ambulance. I'm just hearing the sound. Oh wow. Oh, everybody actually stood still. Where's that guy going to? Oh wow, he was trying to go to the side. Oh, this is amazing. It's so organized, like wow. There's a traffic. That's it. They are really trying their best to clear the road for them. This is beautiful, guys. Oh, that's a roadblock. Oh wow, they still made a way somehow. Whoa, wow. Oh my god, that was really beautiful to see. And I was wondering when I was watching that, how were they able to achieve that? That means that somehow they will have a way of, doing orientation for every individual in that country, because they can't just achieve this. I mean, it's hard to see this in most countries, trust me. The siren is going to be struggling with other vehicles on the road why the disaster is happening somewhere already. So this actually tells that they are intentional about their orientation to their citizens and every member of the community, and also the compliance is top notch. Wow, this is amazing and beautiful. You could see the struggle. Some drivers were like still trying to be out of the road, but in no time they were like out of the road, and this is amazing. The effort to calm down any situation of fire outbreak now depends on both the drivers, the citizens, and then the firefighters themselves, and everybody is cooperating, and that is really amazing, guys. This is a beautiful one to watch. Let me get your take on this one, but this is an amazing one, guys, and it's so organized. This is what a country should look like. Yeah. Until next time, guys, do not forget to hit on the subscribe if you're here to do so. Feel free to support this channel by using my buy me link copy. It's going to be down below. See you next time. Bye.